Hello and welcome to another episode of the Williams Learning Lab. This episode we are going to find average atomic mass of potassium. Now what we're going to need to determine the average atomic mass is going to be the different isotopes of potassium, each mass of that particular isotope, and finally, the relative abundance of each isotope in nature. So what we're going to do to solve this is we are going to add up the product of each isotope's mass times its abundance. So we're going to multiply mass times abundance, and then we're going to add the number we get from multiplying this mass times abundance, and then we're going to add the number we get from mass times abundance for this potassium. So let's go ahead and get started. So the average atomic mass, how we're going to calculate that, we're going to take the mass of our potassium 39, which is 38.9637, and we're going to multiply it times its abundance. This abundance needs to be in decimal form, so it's going to be 0.932581. Just move that decimal place over to the left 2 spots. Then we're going to add potassium 40's product of mass times abundance, 39.9640 times 0.000117. It's a lot of zeros. And then we're going to add again, plus, continuing on below, 40.9618, that's the mass of potassium 41, times its abundance in decimal form, all right, so we're going to put that into a calculator, all right, and when you do, you should get, and I rounded this to 4 decimal places, 39.0983 atomic mass units. It's as simple as that. Whenever you have the isotopes mass and relative abundance, you multiply those together for each isotope and you add those numbers up. Well, thank you for watching this episode of the Williams Learning Lab. If you found value out of this, would you consider commenting, or subscribing? If you have any questions or any video ideas that you'd like to see, would you leave that in the comment section below? Until next time, have a nice day.